TSA Oxford 2020, question 20. In computer technology, a bit can take two values, 0 or 1. A byte is composed of 8 bits. I start with the following byte. I choose two adjacent bits and change each of them to the opposite value. So 0 becomes a 1, 1 becomes a 0, and this guy will repeat the procedure a number of times. Which of the following 8-bit bytes cannot be the result? Okay, so on the TSA Oxford, there's sometimes going to be questions where it might seem like it requires a bit of prerequisite information. So for example, you might think, well, I really need to know how computers work, or I need to know how binary code works, or how bits are programmed. But in this case, it's just asking you, it's giving you superfluous information, right? It's talking about computer technology and telling you what bits and bytes are. That's not too important. All we need to know is that this guy is going to take these set of numbers, these 8 numbers, and he's going to flip two adjacent numbers at a time, because we know a bit is 0 or 1, and he's just going to flip them. He's going to switch them, and he wants to see which one of these bytes, which one of these 8-character strings cannot be created from playing his game, from repeating the switch multiple times. Okay, so this is one of those where you just have to try, right? You just have to try to get these values. So let's try for A first, okay? Let's start with this byte here. 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. How can we get from this number here to answer A? Well, let's see which digits are wrong. So it looks like the 5th digit and the 6th digit are wrong, right? Because you can see here, this is supposed to be 1, 0. What do? Well, we just do this exercise here. We switch these two bits. So we flip them to the opposite value. So the 0 is going to become a 1, and the 1 is going to become a 0. And then the other digits are just filled in because we didn't do anything to them. You see what we did? So voila, that is your answer A. So because answer A could be made, and the question is asking what cannot be the result of this procedure, A is not the right answer. Let's look at B. B is asking, can we get to 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1? So let's start with the original string again, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. And we're going to try to make them all ones. So let's start by flipping these two values here, and then we'll flip the next two values as well. So we get 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. Okay, this looks like we need to do this procedure multiple times, which we can do. So let's flip these two values, and let's flip these two values now, right? I'm just trying to get as many ones as possible. So 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, now this is easy. We have two adjacent zeros, which we can flip to the 1. So we're going to flip it one more time, and we get 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. That's it. So we can get this string. B is not the right answer. Let's try to get this answer here, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. So 0, 1, 0, 0, this is the original string, right? Okay. And we're trying to get C here. So let's start by flipping the first numbers, right? The first two numbers are wrong. The second two numbers are wrong. And the third set of numbers are wrong. So let's start flipping. 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay. It looks like which numbers are correct in the string here, right? Which numbers match C. So first digit is correct, second digit is correct, third digit is correct, but the fourth digit should be a 0, so this is wrong. Fourth digit should be a 0, but these are all correct. The last 4 digits are correct, 1, 0, 1, 1. So look at C and look at what's going on here. So this is a moment when you have to kind of take a pause and think, right? If we have to flip 2 digits at a time and only 1 digit is incorrect, can we end up getting C as a result? And this calls for a little bit of intuition, but the answer would be no. You can keep flipping. Let's say you want to make this incorrect 1 a 0. Well, to make the incorrect one a 0, you'd have to flip either this number here or this number here, right? And then you'd end up flipping it. So you'd end up getting, let's say you flip these two numbers. Then you get 1 0 0 0 1 0 1 1. And now you suddenly have this number incorrect, the 0 here in this place. And then if you try to flip that 0, you're just going to end up with, let's see here, if you flip that 0, you're going to end up with 0 1 0 1 1. Now you're going to end up with this digit incorrect. And you can keep going on, but if you have a single digit incorrect, you'll never be able to get to the correct answer. Because you have to flip two adjacent pairs at a time. That's the key to this question. So the answer is indeed C. The other answers we can check, but I think in this case we're fairly certain that the answer is C. There's no need to check, especially when you're short on time.